Hi, welcome back to Atkinson Law. Today we're going to look very briefly on what it means when your case is documentally qualified and has been sent to your local embassy. When that happens, persons feel I'll be in the US in very short order. That is not necessarily so. What that means is the US immigration authorities have found that the documents that you submitted are sufficient to indicate that you can qualify for the immigration benefit that you're seeking. So for example, if your mother is petitioning for you, you would have had to submit proof that the person who you're saying is your mother is actually your mother, which would mean your birth certificate, and in some instances they might ask for the parents' birth certificate. In other instances, they may even ask that the relationship is proved. The best way would be by a DNA, but there are also other ways. So when your documents have been submitted and the embassy has them in their possession, you actually have that second part of your immigration journey to complete. At the consular section now, you are going to also have to submit various documentation after that petition has been approved. And when you submit those documents into the immigration portal, such as affidavit of support, your own birth certificate, police record if you are an adult, and other documentation, you upload all of those. Obviously you'd have paid the fees and wait. There's a lot of waiting in immigration, as you will imagine. After the immigration authorities have looked at those documents and you are again considered to be documentally qualified, you will get at an appropriate time information as to the date for your immigration interview for your immigrant visa. Now this is when you're going to be getting your interview to come to the US to live as a green card holder. You will also get in the communication instruction about doing your physical. Now the physical is a very important part of the entire process, and you need to make sure that you follow all of the instructions very carefully and ensure that all of the documents that you're asked to take with you on the date of your interview, you already have them, or you have been making efforts to put them together so that when you go to your interview, all that is left is for the immigration officer at your local consulate or embassy to ask questions, which you will answer satisfactorily, and they will indicate that your immigrant visa is approved. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and let us know the topics you want to talk about.